Press pause. All right, recording.
Hi, I'm Paul from Dancing Ivories. I want to show you directions on how to use an old upright foot pump roll player. This is a paper roll. There's a cup side on the left and there's a slotted side on the right. The cup side always goes in on the left first. Spring-loaded roller. And then on the right side to align the slot. Take the paper hook, the eye, roll the bottom spool about a full turn, maybe a little bit longer. And now we're just about ready. Down here, we have a series of levers. On this piano, this is the rewind play, the tempo, which controls the speed of the roll, and expression levers to operate the soft treble, the bass soft, and the damper pedal. Down below, the foot pump pedals need to come out. All of the case parts on this are off so we can see it. Once the pedals are out, pull up your bench or chair, and move the re-roll play lever from re-roll to play. When you first put the roll on, the re-roll lever is in the rewind position from the previous roll that you played. So we need to put this into the play mode. And now we start foot pumping. Now on a good foot pump, you would pump slow and steady. If you pump really crazy fast, you probably have leaks in the player pneumatic system through the valves, pouches, gaskets, and pneumatics and tubing. This one's been fully restored, so it's a really good foot pump. This one's Rhapsody in Blue by George Gershwin, and we'll start it playing. You control the tempo or the speed of the music by this lever here. The faster I foot pump, the louder the volume is. In order to keep the speed of the roll consistent, if I'm pumping harder, I'm creating more suction and drawing more air out at a faster rate. So if I want the piano to play at the same speed at a higher volume, I need to lower the tempo for the speed of the roll to be the same. The opposite is also true, the converse. The slower I pump, the softer the volume can get, but I'm creating less suction, so I have to raise the tempo to keep the roll of the music, the speed of the roll, the same. When I'm foot pumping, I have access with my fingers to these levers. These allow me to provide dynamics or expression on a limited basis for soft and for sustain. The right lever on this piano is for the bass soft pedal, hammers to lift, and the left one is for the bass hammers to lift. So the treble's on the right, bass is on the left. The left one is the damper pedal, which is also operated by this knob on this particular piano. By the way, this is a Gordon upright player with a Pratt Reed pneumatic action in it. And on re-roll, the same thing applies. If I pump too fast, or if I pump faster, the re-roll speed is much faster. The slower I pump, the slower the re-roll speed. And we'll do that in just a moment. I'm going to get it to play again. I'm going to play with the tempo and with the levers, and then I'm going to activate the silent lever, which is on this particular piano. And that will let the roll advance fast without it playing. That's good for if I want to get to either the end of the roll or to get to a certain passage or a certain point in the roll. And if you look at my feet, at how slow I'm pumping, and I get really good volume out of the piano. So again, on a good foot pump, the slower I can push and getting good volume, that means it's a good foot pumper. If I was pumping really crazy and getting a workout, a cardio workout, that would be because you have leaks in the pneumatic stack somewhere, tubing or from a move, or because it needs to be rebuilt and have all the gaskets and valves and pouches and tubing and cloth changed. Here's the silent. The roll's going fast now, but it's not playing. If I bring this back, it's playing. And I hardly have to pump to get this to re-roll. Don't want to go too fast, because if you have an old roll that's brittle, you want to be careful that you don't have the roll get torn. So that's how to operate a foot pump upright roll player. Thank you.